So you just got that beautiful new OLED Nintendo Switch, and you're looking for some accessories to protect your new console and take your gaming experience to the next level. Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 essential must-have accessories to go along with your shiny new Switch. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and by popular demand from all of you, today I'm going to be sharing with you some essential must-have accessories that you need for your new Nintendo Switch OLED model. Whether it's for gaming or simply protecting your console, there's a wide variety here on this list with something for everyone. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So first up is something I got before the system even came out thanks to my friends over at Dbrand. This is the Dbrand tempered glass screen protector, and it blends so nicely with this console, you don't even know that it's there. These screen protectors are top notch and are incredibly easy to apply. If you need a screen protector, you should definitely have Dbrand at the top of your list. Next is the Waterfields design pouch. I originally bought this pouch for my Switch Lite before the OLED Switch was originally announced, and now I use it all the time with my new system. This pouch is beautifully designed, complements the incredible OLED Switch with its waxed canvas finish, and protects the console inside with its soft plush lining. It also fits all your game cards and cables in the front zip pouch as well. This case is incredible. Next is a micro SD card. Even with the bump in internal storage, you're likely going to find yourself in need of some more storage at some point. When I bought the console, I also started fresh with a new micro SD card, and I got the 512 gig officially licensed Nintendo branded card from SanDisk. These cards are fast, reliable, and offer plenty of storage space for all of your digital content. Moving on forward is the Anker Nano Pro. If you don't want to lug around the big bulky AC adapter to charge your Switch on the go, Anker offers a tiny alternative in the Nano Pro that will get you charged up and back to playing in no time. This little charger is also great for fast charging your iPhone, iPad, and other gadgets whenever you need to. And number 5 is something you probably were not expecting: self-adhesive bumper pads. This isn't for the console itself, but rather for the dock. The Switch dock is known to move, slide, and get controlled by the wires that it's connected to. These little things solve that problem. Just peel 4 of them off, stick them in each corner on the bottom of the dock, and voila, no more slipping and sliding. Another really good set of accessories are these Satisfy Zen grips and Joy-Con mini grip. While I don't have one of the new Zen grips to film with at the moment, I've used these grips since they were prototypes back in the day, so I know that they are incredible and make a big difference when you're playing in handheld mode. They are great for those with larger hands, give a better grip on the console, and don't give you hand cramps during longer play sessions. Satisfy makes some of the best Switch accessories around. Since the Switch now has the ability to use Bluetooth audio devices natively, I've been using a bunch of different headphones. One of the ones that I find myself using most though are the Bose Frames audio glasses. While they aren't traditional headphones, they are one of the most unique, futuristic experiences that I've had with an audio device. Out of the box, they come as sunglasses, but you can easily swap those lenses out with clear ones to make them an awesome pair of glasses to game with. Not only do you get blue light protection for your eyes, but you also get excellent sound quality with zero lag or delay. These things are sweet. Next is another pair of headphones that I've also been using a lot with my Switch, the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. You might remember these from my review that I made a few days ago. Not only do these earbuds sound fantastic and have excellent battery life, but they also have incredible active noise cancellation that locks you in for an immersive gaming experience. Playing Metroid Dread with these things is truly spectacular. The Liberty 3 Pro also have multi-point connection, so the Switch doesn't have to be the only device that you use them with. My second to last recommendation is the Anker PowerCord 13400 Nintendo Switch Edition portable battery. I talk about this battery in almost all of my Switch accessory videos, and that's for good reason. This is the only officially licensed portable battery for the Switch. Using it over others gives you some much needed peace of mind knowing that you're not going to brick or ruin your console. It's pricey, but in the end, it's worth it. And lastly, my final recommendation is the official Nintendo Switch Pro Controller. Even if you strictly play in handheld mode, a Pro Controller is an essential part of the Switch experience. The Joy-Con are great with the grip and all, but a Pro Controller will take your gaming experience to new heights. It pairs very well with the larger OLED screen on this new Switch. So there you have it, my friends, 10 must-have accessories for your new Nintendo Switch OLED model. I know this video was a bit rapid fire and fast-paced, but I wanted to try out a new format here to give you all of these recommendations without taking up too much of your time, so I do hope that you enjoyed it.